Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining your threat model so every action has purpose. Who are you protecting against, and what assets matter most? Once done, limit accounts and uninstall unnecessary apps to reduce exposure. Next, acquire essential tools: a reputable VPN, a hardened browser profile, a password manager, and a separate 2FA method. Make sure to use different recovery info for critical accounts. This foundation speeds later steps and prevents wasted effort on ineffective privacy measures. Now harden how you connect and what you use. First, configure your VPN and test the kill switch. Confirm IP leak protection and no logs claims. Then create a hardened browser profile. Enable tracker blockers, disable third-party cookies, and use HTTPS-only mode. Consider a separate browser for sensitive tasks. Next, encrypt your devices and enable full disk encryption where available, then apply OS and app updates. Once done, lock accounts with strong passwords stored in your manager and enable 2FA everywhere. Finish by maintaining compartmentalization. Separate identities, use different browsers or profiles for tasks, and limit cross-linking of accounts. Make a habit of auditing app permissions, revoking unused access, and clearing cookies and site data. Monitor for leaks with simple IP and DNS tests after changes. If something goes wrong, run those tests immediately. If you detect leaks, reset the network, reinstall or reconfigure the VPN, and change exposed credentials. Finally, review your threat model periodically to adjust controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.